Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the heater core on a B7 Audi A4, so stay tuned. The engine is fully warmed up and the climate control is set to high heat, but there is no heat coming from the vents. So I decided to check the temperature on the hoses that are connected to the heater core. The top hose had a much lower temperature than the hose at the bottom, which is a sign of a clogged heater core. To get to the heater core, I need to remove the lower dash, which is held on by 3 screws. I disconnect the 2 wires and remove the lower dash, so now I'm going to remove the plastic that's covering the heater core. Before I remove the heater core, I'm going to disconnect the 2 hoses at the top to help to reduce the amount of coolant leaking into the footwell inside the car. Now I'm going to remove the 2 clamps, then remove the gas pedal to make clearance. The pedal is held down by 3 screws. I used paper towel to soak up the coolant that was leaking. Then after the leaking stopped, I removed the heater core. That's what the old one looked like, and this is what the new one looks like. The new heater core came with a foam strip and some rubber seals. I put on the foam strip and the new seals, and now I'm going to install the heater core. It might be a little bit challenging to get the pipes back in. You'll need to push and hold the pipe, then put on the clamp, but make sure the rubber seal is sitting properly before you put on the clamps. And now I'm going to reinstall the gas pedal, then the coolant pipes by the firewall. I started the engine and checked for leaks. Once I confirmed there was no leaks, I added coolant to the system and let the car idle for a while until the engine was warmed up. This is the new temperature of the hoses. Notice how the temps are not significantly different like how it was before. I also checked the temperature on the actual heater core, and it was also hot. And now the air vents are spitting hot air again without even putting the climate control all the way at high. I will put the tools and part that I've used in the description below. And that's going to be it for this replacement project. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And if you like this video, remember to hit that like button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.